with your body? Is that what you're doing? Oh, watch out, Lola. Here, Caleb, knock over your pins. Knock them over. Knock over the pins. Use your ball and knock them over. Yay! Caleb, they're all standing up in a row. You gotta knock them over. You can knock the pins over. Yay! Are you too tired to stand up?